artists, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be drawing a Easter bunny today inside an Easter basket, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a Sharpie, but you can use any drawing material that you have. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is we're going to be drawing our bunny's head. I'm going to start by drawing a curved line, and let's go ahead and give it some few hairs sticking out. Draw a curved line here. I'm going to draw one ear going up, so let me zoom in a little bit. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line right over here and go all the way back down. I want to draw that inner part of the ear, so I'm going to draw a curved line here and go back down for the inner part of our ear. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw a curved line right here. And we're just gonna connect. And let's go ahead and draw a curved line here. For this ear, it's actually going to be flopping down, straight line, and we're gonna go back down. When you're ready, take the ear up, and go back down and draw a curved line here. When you're ready, we are going to draw two eyebrows over here for our bunny's face, followed by two ovals for the eyes, upside down triangle, curved line, and two teeth. All right, let's go ahead and draw, well actually I'm going to fill in the eye, but I'm leaving a white oval in the center, just like that. Go ahead and draw lashes if you would like. You could do 2 or 3 on each side. And our bunny's paw is actually going to be hanging off the basket, so let's draw a curved line here and 2 curved lines inside. Beautiful. When you're ready, we are going to be drawing our basket. So I'm going to draw a curved line here, connect it to the bunny's face, and go to the other side and finish off the line for the basket. Draw a curved line here, and we're going to draw a line going all the way across. If you make a mistake and your basket is not perfectly straight like mine, keep going, because this is all about having fun and practicing, and we're not looking for perfection. I'm just going in and I'm adding these curved lines inside my basket to make it look woven. And let's go ahead and draw the handle for our basket. I'm going to draw a line right here, and I'm actually going to draw a double line next to it. And figure out where that basket is going to go. So you kind of want to draw like a curved line here, but we want to put a little bow on the side on the handle, so I'm going to leave a little space right here. But let's go ahead and draw curved line right here, and then take this line, draw a curved line there. Now this is where I want to add my bow. So I'm going to draw my bow first. I'm going to draw a circle right here, and then sort of like a triangular shape on the ends. Now if this video is going too fast for you, you can always pause the video, and let's draw like a curved line in there, just like that. And now for the remaining part of the bow, for the ribbon, we're just going to draw curved line, and then draw an upside down letter V, curved line, upside down letter V. Now we need to connect. Draw a line here and a line right here. When you're ready, we're going to go in and draw these curved lines on our basket. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to go all the way down. Maybe we'll put one more there. There. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw the remaining part of our basket. So I'm just going to draw a curved line and do the same thing on this side, draw a curved line and connect the two sides together, just like that. When you're ready, go in and draw lines inside your basket. As best you can. Maybe one more here. There. Now I'm going to go in and make it look like it's woven just a little bit. We're going to add 2 double lines here, 2 double lines here, and 2 here, but I'm going to curve them in the opposite direction. So the ones on the left side are going to be curving in this way, and then the ones closer to the right are going to be curving in that way. Draw a double line here, double line here, double line here, double line here, and double line here. Maybe we'll put one over here. Why not? And one right here. Beautiful. When you're ready, we are going to add some Easter eggs near our basket. So let's go ahead and draw one over here. I'm going to draw an egg right over here. I'm going to draw an oval. Let's draw an egg right here. Let's draw an oval over here. And maybe one behind this one. So I'm literally just going to draw a curved line here. So it kind of looks like it's tucked behind this one. And let's draw one behind the basket, like that. Maybe we have one Easter egg inside the basket right here. All I did was I added a curved line here, And let's put one more next to our bunny right here. When you're ready to color, or before you color, because we're pretty much done with the drawing, I like to go in and add designs on my eggs. So I'm just doing like a polka dot design on this one. You could do whatever you want. And let's go over to this egg, and I'm just gonna draw a double line here and maybe do like a, add some circles there. Maybe this one can be a zigzag design and a curved line. And I'm just gonna do stripes for this one. Same thing here. I think I'm gonna do a polka dot design here and maybe some curved lines on this egg. There we go. And there's our drawing for Easter. If you celebrate Easter, I hope you have a happy Easter. Bye guys, I'll be right back with the colored version. Okay guys, this is the final drawing, all colored in. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys color yours in as well. And see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.